I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with skin prepped. Cleanse, hydrate, and prime so products blend rather than sit. Next, pick a corrector by undertone. Peach or orange neutralizes blue-gray, red tackles deep ashy areas, choose cream for rich pigment. Apply a fingertip amount, about 0.5 to 1 pump, directly where the discoloration is strongest, then gently tap to place rather than rub. Once placed, make sure to blend outward into adjacent skin, so transitions stay natural and seamless. Once the corrector is on, you need controlled layering. Pat small dots and tamp them gently with a dense sponge or a small synthetic brush to preserve pigment. Build thin layers, less is more, until the discoloration neutralizes. This keeps depth without cakiness. Make sure to blend edges into surrounding skin, not erase the corrector, so it reads natural under foundation. Finally, lightly set with a translucent or skin tone powder to lock placement and prevent migration. To finish, apply foundation in thin layers, pressing with a sponge rather than dragging to avoid disturbing the corrector. If more coverage is needed, spot conceal and set sparingly to retain luminosity. If the color looks off, warm the corrector by rubbing between fingers, then add a tiny amount of a warmer orange or red to rebalance. For patchiness, try a thin balm over the area before reapplying product. If creasing occurs, gently remist skin and press powder back only where necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.